there, welcome back to Floorland. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing in the world of interior design and home renovation, SPC flooring. Whether you're considering a flooring upgrade or just curious about the latest trends, you're in the right place. In this comprehensive guide, we'll cover everything you need to know about SPC flooring, from its types and features to its aesthetic appeal and the numerous benefits it offers. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get started. Types of SPC flooring. SPC, which stands for Stone Plastic Composite, comes in various styles to suit different preferences and needs. You'll find SPC flooring available in a wide range of designs, including hardwood, tile, and even marble looks. This versatility allows you to achieve the aesthetic you desire for your space while enjoying the durability and functionality of SPC flooring. Features of SPC flooring. SPC flooring is renowned for its exceptional durability. Thanks to its unique composition, which includes a stone plastic composite core, it's highly resistant to scratches, stains, and dents. This makes it an ideal choice for high-traffic areas in your home, such as the kitchen, living room, or hallway. SPC flooring is water-resistant, making it suitable for areas prone to moisture, such as bathrooms, laundry rooms, and basements. Unlike traditional hardwood flooring, SPC won't warp or swell when exposed to water, ensuring long-lasting performance. Aesthetic appeal of SPC flooring. Now, let's talk about the aesthetic appeal of SPC flooring. One of the reasons why many homeowners are opting for SPC flooring is its ability to mimic the look and feel of natural materials, such as hardwood and stone, at a fraction of the cost. SPC flooring installation. Whether you prefer the warmth of hardwood floors or the elegance of marble tiles, you can achieve the desired look with SPC flooring. Plus, with advancements in technology, manufacturers are able to create incredibly realistic textures and patterns, giving you the look you want without compromising on performance. Benefits of SPC flooring. Now that we've covered the types, features, and aesthetic appeal of SPC flooring, let's discuss the numerous benefits it offers to homeowners. First and foremost, SPC flooring is incredibly easy to maintain. Unlike natural materials that require regular sealing and polishing, SPC flooring only requires regular sweeping and occasional mopping to keep it looking its best. Furthermore, SPC flooring is a cost-effective option compared to hardwood or stone flooring. Not only is the initial cost lower, but you'll also save money in the long run on maintenance and repairs. Another notable benefit of SPC flooring is its eco-friendliness. Many SPC flooring products are made from recycled materials, making them a sustainable choice for environmentally conscious homeowners. SPC flooring offers a winning combination of durability, versatility, and aesthetic appeal, making it an excellent choice for any home renovation project. Whether you're looking to upgrade your floors or simply want to learn more about the latest trends in flooring, SPC flooring is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on flooring and home improvement. Until next time, happy renovating.